So I grew up in a very colored, very public school. My friends often didn't have anything to eat. It is the greatest blessing. That and working in my father's shop, for my understanding of the world. It's where my comedy comes from. It's informed by these different tiers. The reason I've been able to get closer to an audience is because I've been able to get closer to my truth. It's very easy to say. People say, oh, my truth. But I tell you the truth. I tell you the uncomfortable reality of my life. And that is how I've been able to connect with these people. And that's why the feeling is different, I'd say, from most. It's because it's when it's very uncomfortable, Natalie and I speak about not almost getting a bond, losing money. Because people aren't having, every day isn't a great day. You know? In fact, we're just all grinding through this thing. I also have a hang toenail. It's like, you know that banyan that you had to go under with a stick? When you can't just, hoek recht kry nie. We all have that. I love you.